Mr. Davies' dose of science. If this is your first time learning with us, welcome. If not, welcome back. Hello, everyone. It's Mr. Davies. Welcome back. Hope you're doing well and you're feeling healthy. Before we go any further, don't forget, throw me a like. Always helps the channel. And if you want to know about your most recent video, click subscribe and the little bell next to it so you get your notifications as soon as the next video comes up. So today's all about Saturn. We're going to take a look at Canvas, then the reader, and PowerPoint slide. Please come back for the movie. Let's get started. Once you're in Canvas, please realize that from this start screen, you can see the work that you need to do. So use that to your advantage. We're working through the weekly assignment at this point using the resources. And today's focus again is on Saturn. So we'll use the reader, one PowerPoint slide, and please make it a point to come back and view the Space School video on Saturn. They do a great job. Much thanks to them. Their videos are filled with a lot of information that comes very quickly. So do take the time to check that resource. Also, don't forget your job is to take the 5 most important facts from all of the resources. So with that being said, here we go. What is known about Saturn? Saturn is a near twin to Jupiter. It is the second largest gas giant planet and is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. About 800 Earths could fit inside the volume of Saturn. Amazingly, the planet's density is less than that of water. That means it would float. Saturn has a large ring system. The planetary ring system that circles Saturn's equator is the planet's most spectacular feature. A planetary ring is a disk of material that circles a planet and consists of orbiting particles. Saturn's ring system has many individual rings that form complex bands. Between bands are gaps that may be occupied by moons. Although the rings of Saturn extend nearly 500,000 kilometers in diameter, they are only a few kilometers thick. They consist of trillions of small icy bodies that are a few millimeters to several hundred meters in size. The rings are mostly pieces left over from the collision of Saturn's moons with comets and asteroids. Saturn's moon, Enceladus, has water geysers. In the inner solar system, liquid rock erupts from volcanoes. In some parts of the outer solar system, liquid water erupts from volcanoes. When NASA's Cassini spacecraft explored Saturn's moon Enceladus, it found an icy surface. Scientists believe that Enceladus has a liquid interior beneath this icy surface. Liquid water flows up through cracks in the moon's surface. It either freezes at the surface or forms spectacular water geysers. These geysers are the largest in the solar system. Saturn's moon Titan has a dense atmosphere. Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, has an atmosphere that is denser than Earth's. The moon's atmosphere is composed mostly of nitrogen and has traces of compounds such as methane and ethane. Methane clouds form in Titan's atmosphere. From these clouds, methane rain may fall. Unlike Earth, Titan has a crust of ice, which is frozen at a temperature of negative 180 degrees Celsius. In 2005, the Huygens Titan probe descended through Titan's atmosphere. It took pictures of a surface with lakes and ponds. The liquid that fills these lakes and ponds is mostly methane. Okay, if you weren't able to get your 5 facts from the reading, you can certainly use the PowerPoint slide. Saturn is the second largest planet. Only Jupiter is larger. Saturn has 7 thin, flat rings around it. Saturn's diameter at its equator is 74,600 miles, which is almost 10 times that of Earth. They named Saturn after the Roman god of agriculture. Saturn has the lowest density of all the planets in the solar system. It is so light that it could actually float on water if there was an ocean big enough to hold it. It takes about 29 46/100th Earth years for Saturn to orbit around our Sun. Saturn's rings are made up of billions of pieces of rocks and dust. Saturn has over 30 known satellites, or moons, but many of them are small and faint. The atmosphere of Saturn comprised mostly of hydrogen and helium. Galileo was the first astronomer to observe Saturn's rings. Titan is the only Saturn moon with an atmosphere. Okay, as you collect your facts, don't forget to come back and click Submit Assignment. You can certainly copy and paste the template right here. And when you do click Submit Assignment, your text entry window will pop up at the bottom, and you can just start typing your facts in here. Don't forget, you need 5 most important facts for each of the 4 Jovian planets. At the end of the week, come back to the assignment tab. If there's any assignments that you have not yet finished and you would like to finish them, you can certainly do that under the overdue assignments or past due assignments tabs. Make sure you submit as much as possible by this Friday so I can do my part of grading your work, turning it around, and getting it back to you so you can get credit. As always, please stay healthy, stay safe. Until next time, this is Mr. Davies. Have a great day. Keep on learning. If you learned something today, please like this video. If you think there is more you can learn, then click subscribe or consider coming back again tomorrow. The information, likenesses, and opinions in this video are the intellectual property of Mr. Mike.Davies. While Mr. Davies does refer to other works owned by others, those resources are either parts of a public school district curriculum or they are readily available through open forums on the internet. Mr. Davies does offer his thanks and appreciation to any entity he has chosen to refer to or gather sound bites or clips from to emphasize his lessons. Mr. Davies is currently a professional member of the teaching staff for Central Dauphin School District in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and is making, producing, and publishing these videos for the benefit of his students and other students during the current lockdown crisis. Mr. Davies does not make claim to all of the ideas and resources referenced in his videos. However, he does claim responsibility and rights to his likeness, opinions, and the academic content of these videos. He does not grant permission for any entity to copy or duplicate any portion of this video or any of his videos for private or personal gain.